How to add games to GameStick Lite 4K. So what you're gonna have to do, first of all, you're gonna have to have the game ROMs you want to play ready. So as you can see, they're gonna look something similar to this. So you need the GBA file and the PNG file. And then you're gonna have to remove the micro SD card from the game stick and insert it into your computer or laptop using a micro SD card reader. Then at the root of the SD card you'll see a game folder. This is where all the games are stored. So games are grouped by the console they belong to. For instance, all the NES games are stored in the FC folder, all the Game Boy Color games are stored in the GBC folder, Atari games in the Atari folder, and so on. So you're gonna have to copy your game ROMs and their cover images, this is very important, to the respective folders. Then you're gonna have to install this software here, which is called DB4S, on your computer or laptop. And back to the root of the SD card, open games.db file with this software. And here's a list of tables in the game database will be displayed. You'll only need to care about the tables, these two here. And basically, here is where you'll modify to add your games. Click on the Browse Data tab and select TBLN and from the drop down menu, and then here, as you can see, you're gonna have to select the game that you just added, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.